we would like to thank you for your coming tonight. We certainly did not expect
Kakain pa lang po.
and we're very overwhelmed by your presence tonight. My task tonight is to update you on what has been happening so far with regards to the campaign. No? Sige. The good news is our rating has improved since December from the 51 to 40 slot to 30 to 39. So that's in terms of the SWS survey. And the voters conversion according to Pulse Asia has been 1.3 to 1.5. It's not much, but we're certainly encouraged by the slow increase, no, in the rating. Okay, we have also reached more than 50% of the provinces. So our reach has really gone. We have a core of campaigners in most of the key 4 cities and provinces, no, around the Philippines. So what are our challenges? You know, the things that we continue to work hard on. According to the SWS survey, where our Senator Kiko Pangilinan did a rider question on the survey. Doon kasi sa rider survey, may mga questions sila with regard individual candidates, no? At doon kaya, wala talagang, doon sa mga nagsabi na boboto sila kaya, ang pinakamataas talaga dahil sa kanyang prinsipyo at kanyang paninindigan. Doon naman sa hindi bumoboto, ang only negative lang na sinasabi nila, hindi siya kilala. So, people don't vote for her because they don't know her. So that is the challenge that we continue to overcome. No? Yung pagpapalakas o pagpapataas ng awareness ng publiko tungkol sa kanya. And we are slowly doing that in the next few weeks of the campaign. We are going to have radio and TV ads. Sa TV ads, it will not be her own ad kasi we cannot afford it. But we are negotiating with the party, with the Liberal Party, to have an ad with her and Noynoy using her airtime. No? Kasi mukhang nauubusan na yata yung quota ni Noynoy sa airtime niya. Nag-request sila sa mga senatorial candidates if they can donate their airtime. Pero yun yung nego namin na pwede, pero siya tsaka si Noy. O kaya a group of them, no? Or 3 or 4 of them. Kagaya nung siguro yung bilyar na nakikita nyo, no? Siya tsaka yung mga women candidates niya. Similar to that frame, no, of ads. We are also maximizing her access to new media. So we have gone through several online interviews, chats, and yung mga interviews with bloggers. No? And we are also improving her Facebook and her sites, no, in the different political websites that are ongoing right now. And the video that you see, in the next few weeks, we will be uploading it in YouTube. So we encourage you to invite your friends and your barkadas, your family members, to visit, no, the video of YouTube. The most challenge that we face is, of course, the finances. We entered into the campaign, and the first thing that we really told Rafa Lopa, who is one of the campaign managers of NOY, is that she has no money. No? She has no funds of her own. In fact, alam na naman natin lahat, she was ready to leave for a scholarship or fellowship to Hawaii. And she has given up her job in Al-Mujadila. No? So that is one of the things that we continue to face until now. But we are very heartened by the support of family and friends. And let me just make special mention of Let me just make special mention of Ka Francisco of Alliance for Rural Concerns, who was among the first to say that magbibigay ako monthly kaya sa kampanya niya. No? Tapos sabi niya, pagdasal mo na mabigay ni GMA ang aking bigas para mas malaki ang mabigay ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, kahit nalabag sa kalooban ko, ipagdadasal ko.